welcome to Arnav's World. Today is the 18th episode in the biology series. So today in this episode we are going to discuss about body cover, the body cover of our body. So this is part 2 of the skin, hair and nail system. So in the last episode in biology we discussed about them but in part 1. So this is part 2 of skin, hair and nails. Yes. So the human body is almost entirely covered in a layer of skin and hair for protection and warmth. Yes. So the skin protects our inner organs from the outside environment, while the hair gives some protection too, while also helping touch. So these small hairs on the rest of our body will just are used for touch. They help a bit. Yes. So together the skin and hair form the body's largest sensory organ. Yes. So with an array of sensors that give the brain detailed data about the body's surroundings. Yes. So the skin is the largest sensory organ and also the largest organ in whole of the human body. Yes, the skin is the largest organ. The largest. Yes. So the body has different skin and hair types. Yes, so depending on where they are and their role. So the skin over here is a different type than the skin over here. Yes. While again the skin over here is different from the skin over here. Yes, so there are many differences. And also the hair over here is different from the hair over here. Here there are long hairs, but here there are very small thin hairs. Yes. So next, hairy or smooth. So the main skin types are hairy or hairless. This hairless skin is also known as glabrous skin. Yes, so the hairless skin is called glabrous skin. Yes, so most of the body is covered in hairy skin. Yes, so even though the hair is sometimes too fine for us to see, so many times we can't see the hair over here, but the hair is still there in many places except the palms of the hands, the lips and the soles of the feet. Yes, they are everywhere except those 3 places on the human body. Yes, and also the inside of the human body. Yes, so okay. So next, glabrous skin. So without any hair follicles, glabrous skin is much smoother than hairy skin. Yes. So the palms and soles are glabrous skin, but they are different from the glabrous skin of the lips. So the lips is thin skin, while these soles and palms are thick skin. Yes, so these are more thick than this or this. And yes, so okay. So it provides padding for the lips, palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. Yes, so the body's thinnest skin is the eyelids and the thickest skin is the soles of the feet. Yes, so the thickest is the soles of the feet and the thinnest is the eyelids of our eyes. Yes, so that's why we can do this with our eyes. Yes. So next, body temperature regulation. So when it is too hot or too cold, the skin and hair play important roles in these situations. Yes. So they keep the temperature at a safe level all the time. Yes. So a safe and comfortable level which we can live in. If it is too hot, we will be dehydrated. Yes, even if it is too cold, we will freeze. Yes, so okay, a thermostat in the brain's hypothalamus monitors signals from the body sensors. Yes, so there are many body sensors, heat sensors mainly. So here, everywhere on the skin and on the tongues are these sensors. Yes, so on the tongue we can sense if the food we are eating is hot. and with our skin we can sense if the environment is hot or cold. Yes, so yeah. Okay, so now keeping cool. So if the temperature rises above 38 degrees Celsius, sweat glands produce watery sweat to cool the skin. Yes, so when this sweat evaporates, it makes the place a bit more cool. Yes, yeah. So blood vessels at the skin surface widen, so heat can escape easily. Yes, so the heat will escape out through the blood vessels, which are now widened. Yes, so then more heat can escape out through the body. Yes, so hair relaxes, so heat is released into the air. So the hair muscles, the M erector pili muscle will relax, making the hair just go freely. So this makes it a bit cooler, so the heat doesn't escape anymore. Next, keeping warm, the opposite of keeping cold. Yes, so when the temperature drops, skin goes into heat retention mode. Yes, so blood vessels will become narrower, so this warmth will not escape our body. Yes, so muscles contract to make the skin's hair stand upright to trap warm air. Yes, so this is controlled by the M erector pili muscle. M means muscle over here. Yes, so that's why we get goosebumps when it is too cold. So this hair will be straighter, and small bumps will appear on the hairs under the hair follicles. Yes, so then the heat would be trapped. So that's why we can be a bit more hotter when it is cold outside. Yes, and also these muscles pull on the skin above, making lumps, which are known as the goosebumps of our body. Yes, so next, sun shield. So one of the skin's many functions is to make vitamin D by harnessing the sun's rays. Yes, so however, ultraviolet light, also known as UV rays from the sun, can damage the skin. So the body produces a substance called melanin to protect it. So melanin is what makes the skin look darker or lighter. So because of this melanin, people more needed to the closer to the equator are more dark. So this melanin makes them darker, but the people closer to the poles don't need that melanin because the sun is it is not always hitting them, it is less hitting them. Yes, so that's why they have less melanin. So that's why they are white, paler than their equatorial people. Yes. So next, skin color. Yes, so human skin has adapted to suit the conditions on Earth. Yes, so yeah. So near the equator, the sun's rays are more intense, so that's why they are darker. So the body produces lots of melanin for maximum protection, so the skin is darker, that's why. Yes, so far from the equator, less melanin is needed, so that's why they are less darker, paler. Yes, or faded. Yes, yeah. And also a thing called types of hair. So yeah, so hair has different types. So there are, so first is round follicles. That means they are straight hair. So my type is straight hair. Yes, so my hair is straight hair, so this will be a round follicle. Next, wavy hair. So the people who have wavy hair have their follicles in an oval shape. So their hair will be in an oval shape. Next, and finally the last type, the curly or coiled hair. Yes, so for this, their hair needs to be shaped in a rectangular or a flat way. Yes, so normally a straight hair will be like this, wavy will be like this, and flat will be like, of course, flat. Yes, so okay, so hair types. there are two main types of hair. Not these hair, not the curly or those types, but the different types. Yes, so vellus internal hair. Yes, so vellus hairs are the hairs which are all over the body. These hairs are vellus, these hairs are vellus. Every hair is vellus except on the head. So these are the other type, the terminal hairs. Yes, so this protects our scalp from sunlight and also has heat. That means it makes heat stay in. Yes. So next time tell about the nails also. So the nails of our body, the toenails, the fingernails, every nail. Yes, except the nails which are used with nuts and those nails. Yes, so these nails, not those other nails which are used for construction of things. Yes, so the nail structure. So this nail is made up of the same thing which makes up the hair. A hard structure called keratin. Yes, so rhinoceros's horn is also made up of this keratin only. Yes. So okay, so keratin. So this keratin is very common in many animals. So first about the nails. So first these nails will form over here somewhere in the finger at the edge, like over here. So they will start there. So they will be alive at that time, but when they are going out and out, they will become dead, like our hairs. Our skin. Yes, the same like that. So this keratin will get hardened. So that's why our nails are very hard. So, and also if you don't know the use of what nails do, nails protect our fingers from any damage. Yes, so the fingers are very, very important for like holding things. Yes, so that's why they have a protection system of their own. And also the toes are our head to balance our legs. Yes, so that's why they have these nails. And also the toenails are bigger because the toes are a bit bigger than these fingers. Yes, so yeah, and under this are the normal things like the fat and the bones. Yes, so and also if you don't know, there are no muscles in the fingers. The muscles of those fingers which control them are over here or from here to here. Yes, no muscle is in the fingers. If you don't know, that's a fun fact. Yes, so this is for today about this second part. Bye.